What's up, guys? So I haven't posted in a bit. I'm back in the setup. I know I'm back in my room finally. I didn't have the microphone, didn't have the light kit, didn't have anything really to shoot, and it was just really like, I don't want to shoot a video if it's not going to be quality, because I can't talk, I can't edit the way that I want, I'm not thinking. I got to be in a mindset, and when I'm in my office, it really puts me in that mindset to work. So what we're going to be talking about is some stuff that I learned while I was in San Francisco, some stuff that we are going to be doing on the channel in the next couple of weeks that you guys, I hope, really enjoy. I'm going to kind of explain who I was living with, because some of you guys don't know who these people are, and I'm just going to let you know, give you guys some background on them and what I've learned from them. So I'm not going to expose too much about them, because like, I don't mean expose, but I mean like I'm not gonna release like too much, because like it's just, we're friends, and like we're gonna be doing stuff more in the future, and like there's some stuff that you guys gotta keep away from online, but that's just because it's so valuable knowledge. I can't really share stuff with you guys, but I'm gonna try to share as much as I can with you guys. So with that being said, let's get on with this video. So Team New Rich is a I guess a social SMMA, just like many other businesses. So they basically run ads for other people in the internet, and like teach other people and mentor people. It's just like a team. So like Team Jet Set. So like they run ads for big companies, or like Gary Vee, for example. They run ads for other companies. I wouldn't want to compare the two, Jet Set and Team New Rich, because they're not really the same. But like the way that Gary does his business and the way that Richie does his business is really similar. They're really good entrepreneurs, and they really are good at selling their brand. So Team New Rich, he's 18 years old. He's made he makes over 300 grand a month. If you want to look at his Instagram right now, I'll pop it up on the screen right here. As well as Wilson. Wilson's a great guy too. He's like kind of mentoring. He's kind of like business partners with him now. It's weird. There used to be a student of his. Like they met in January as like a student, and then he asked them to come live with them. They now live together, and they're doing great businesses together, and it's really just encouraging me more and more to post more to you guys, because there's so many of you guys that should be doing that, and I'm not seeing a lot of you guys growing right now, and that is got to make a big change like in the next coming weeks and stuff. I'm going to be starting to make these video ads. I've seen a couple people say, Cam, your videos are quality, but you're not getting the subs, you're not getting the views. Why don't you run some ads? It's something that I really thought of, and like it's not a bad idea. Do you guys think that I'm ready to kind of grow my channel? I feel like the reason I kind of stopped posting for a bit is because I don't have the view count that's influencing me to post the videos. I normally can post the videos, but like if you guys are influencing me to post more videos, I'm going to post higher quality videos, I'm going to get better questions and stuff like that. So that's something I can do. And then another thing that I really learned is that something valuable to the whole dropshipping like sales pitch is the video, and people are really skimping out on the videos these days, and they don't really know how to make a really nice converting video ad for their Facebook ads. And I know I've been talking about that on my channel, but it's 100% true. You guys can sell so much through video, and video is the best internet marketing technique that you can really sell. It's kind of like talking to somebody face to face. It's the next best thing. So like, unless you can talk to them through a podcast, like this is like the best format to sell. So a lot of people are still using picture ads on Facebook, and it's really hurting their conversions and their sales using Facebook ads. So we're going to help you guys boost that. We're going to talk about that. They kind of showed me some of that. We're also going to talk about more boring things like break-even points and stuff, and some things that you guys can use and really scale companies with by saving more money. Something that I've learned over the past couple of weeks, and I want to share that with you guys. That's going to be talked about for about probably a week or two, as well as traveling and how to travel for free. Some things that I've learned while traveling, because you guys probably want to know that. How to travel for free. Who doesn't want to travel? Who doesn't want to stay in hotels for free? I'm going to show you guys on this channel how to do that, as well as some SMMA. I'm really getting into that right now. I'm going to be doing it in my small town. Once you learn Facebook ads, it's really easy to do it if you can do it in like your small area. So for example, I'm from Hamilton, Ontario, and there's no one doing SMMA here. So like, it's a perfect opportunity for me to advertise, because I can help brands that already have brands just put there's all the stats and put all the information that I need into Facebook for them, and they're going to be showing up to people who want to buy their stuff. It's going to help them drive traffic, and they did all the work themselves, and I just basically put them on the internet. It's really simple, and we're going to make a bunch of money from that. I'm going to put it all on this channel, so I know this has been a bit of a sales pitch for this video, but I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I'm going to be posting regularly starting today. Well, the next video is going to be like the more informative video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been Cam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Here's a little clip from San Fran. But until next time, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.